What's up, everybody? Social distancing, day 4. Look, there's not a curfew yet. Get outside. Just do it by yourself. If somebody comes up, what are you going to do? You're going to leave. You're going to walk away. All right? I had to go to the studio, Solidarity Virtual Studio. I'm on my way home. I saw my chance for a little contextual play. All right? This railing, perfect chance to add a little context to some movement. So I pulled my bike over. You might be saying, hey Mike, but biking is already moving, but it's still sitting. I really want to add some more interesting context. Railing, perfect chance. Movement snack. Whew. 2 minutes. That's with the intro too. Doesn't have to be long. Get out, take a snack.